Hello guys, how are you? In this video we talking about TensorFlow installation. What is the TensorFlow? TensorFlow is a basic machine learning library. So it's open source. I am creating some simple commands. Uh, so you can also join this community, TensorFlow community. I'll show you TensorFlow guideline here. Here the installation guide, which version you use, basic installation, pip installation, peer. You can use Mac, so peer installation. So a lot of things you can see. I have already version of the pip Python 3.8.8. So I will show you installation command: pip install 10 I'm already done installation. Here we open the Python shell. Now we test the version of the TensorFlow TN, the TNSOR flow. Sorry, I can forget. So here the quiet again, Python import 10 STF. So we can see the version of the TensorFlow tf dot underscore version here 2.5.2. So I have already created simple basic report. Here you copy sentence error. So first you copy from this, okay, then you mention the variable. Sorry, I can repeat again, same mistake. So here the hello, there is a session df, no attribute of the version are the same, no problem. Simple print sentence error. I have mentioned the print semicolon middle brackets, not define the session. You cannot define the session. Okay, so I think no attribute of the session in this version, no attribute have the version, no problem. So we upgrade our TensorFlow, pip install double upgrade TensorFlow. So I have already know some taking time. taking a lot of time, so I Python import TensorFlow STF. Here the all libraries installation guidelines, link in description. So mm, and copy simple type and hello. We can find this version. Why are we are testing? So we debug this issue. So here the attribute. Uh, there's no issue. Okay, so we can upgrade the version. It's okay. So we upgrade the version simply. Otherwise, we can test insert second version. Yeah, we can use 2 point something version. Here the message tf print message. Okay, so we can just print tf dot print hello hello TensorFlow. You can see. Next video we upgrade multiple projects of the TensorFlows. So hope you like it.